Wagwan, my friend. Greetings. Let me ask you a question. When you share things with people, or you do something good for people, you grumble about it, or you do it with a smile, like you're glad to do it. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now, drop a comment and share it with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now is the best time to click the notification bell and the subscribe button to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right yourself 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
This is Denise Antoinette Simpson filling in for Joanne Richards Goffe. Today, I'm going to read from the first letter as according to Peter, chapter 4, from verse 7 to verse 11. But the time when all of this are go done soon come. So clear on the head and start things straight. Get in the mind ready for action. Control on yourself and start live serious. Do all of that so that you can pray. And more than nothing else, you for really love one another all the time and with all our heart. Cause love cover up sin, no matter how it might a whole heap. You for share with one another and that you for do. Share on your house and nobody long up on your mouth and grumble when you not do it. God give you different gift. Every one of you for use whatever gift God go no and use it good. Use it for help people. So if God make none of you preach, you for preach like say a God word itself on attack. All who for serve with the strength and power where God give you. That way there, God will get the praise in everything we do, sake of Jesus Christ. All of the honor, praise, and power of God, today, tomorrow, and forever. Amen. And God word this. Thank God for Him word.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.